My name is Dave Garrett. I'm the managing director at Stroz Friedberg, and I run their San Francisco office. Stroz Friedberg is a consulting firm that does computer forensics, mobile phone forensics, electronic discovery, and cybercrime response. Simply put, we help clients manage digital risks. There was a recent study by the FTC that found that since 2005, over 250 million people have been affected by data breaches of some kind. In 2007, TJ Maxx, the large retailer, was hit with a data breach and over 45 million credit card records were taken. So the numbers of people who are involved is significant and really impacts people more than I think they know. Some of the larger clients that have more sophisticated insurance programs will in fact have it and use it in situations where we're brought in to help. But a lot of clients don't. One, I think, aspect of data breaches that makes cyber risk insurance and even the reporting statistics around cyber risk difficult to gauge is the fact that there are a lot of clients that don't want to report that in fact a breach has occurred. So there are a lot of times that even if there was insurance in place, clients may decide not actually to make a claim under the policy because of risk that might impact their business in other ways. There really are some very simple ways that clients can address some of the risks apart from insurance. One is to have a strong password policy. Make sure that your employees, when they are using passwords, are of sufficient strength that they're not easily guessable. Another example would be through just education. It would be easy to talk with your employees about making sure that they don't open emails from sources that they are not trusted sources. And then the third example of a real simple thing that a company can do to try to protect itself is through making sure that all of your software is up to date. Hackers are really out for information. That's really what their valuable trade is. And whether you're a small mom and pop store or a multi-billion-dollar global company, you're really a potential target. If a data breach occurs, there are a lot of different laws that may come into play. There are potential criminal laws for the actual breach. As far as the company's perspective and concern, really the main source of law that they need to worry about, at least immediately, are data breach notification statutes. Currently, 45 states plus the District of Columbia each have their own data breach notification laws. And while there are a lot of similarities between each of those laws, there are differences as well. It makes it challenging for businesses that do business in more than one state, and certainly for businesses that do business in all 50 states, to really keep track of that. There is some talk in Congress about having a federal legislation to have uniform data breach notification laws. I think we're just not quite there yet.